going on, guys? Stress87 here, coming at you with another pickup video. And today, boy, this is, I always say it, my grails, but yeah, these are my grails, like, boy. So yeah, man, unfortunately they didn't come with a box. Story goes, obviously the collector has been collecting for quite some time now, and he's moving country. He's moving out of the UK, and for some reason he's misplaced the box in storage somewhere, so you can't find it. But still, I'm not fussed because I'm not wearing the box on my feet. I'm obviously wearing the trainers. But yeah, man. So yeah, woo, I'm gonna go straight into it, man. The Nike SB Dunk Low Pros from 2012. These are the red cements. These are the third colorway. The originals were from 2002, which was the white cement and then the black cement. But yeah, man, like this colorway, like obviously Supreme is red. Like I don't see why they shouldn't put it on a trainer like the colorway and that. But yeah, man, this is crazy. Like I'm not fussed about not having the box, the OG box, but yeah, man, like the seller had these on ice from like 2012. So boom, as you can see, they are dead stock. Look at check the toe box. No crease, no creasing, no wear on the sole. Like these are fresh, these are dead stock, man. Like the thing that I love about these trainers, and I'll say about any trainers that's got the print, is just the elephant print. Like I'm obsessed with elephant print when it comes to the Air Max 1 Atmos. Like just elephant print just kills it for me, man. It just does it for me. But yeah, man, as you can see, you got the elephant print around the toe box, going around the toe, up onto the upper here, all around the heel, and obviously coming back up into the upper. But like, yeah, like it's crazy, man. You got the leather toe box here. As you can see, that is fresh, no crease at all. And you got obviously the padded tongue. The tongue on these are super padded, man. Like these are comfortable. Like I've had these twice already. I had them in 2014. I copped them on the Crep City page for like dirt cheap, man. And then like I bought them again. I saw them dirt cheap again, and like ever since then, like I've been checking the prices, and then the prices are just mad. Like I think I saw these for like 10 grand or something. Like fuck, who's gonna pay 10 grand for trainers? Like it's crazy. But as I said, I got these for like a steal. Like I didn't pay 10 grand for them, but I paid a steal price. Like for dead stock pair as well. Like big up the guy that sold these to me, man. Like, but yeah, it's crazy. Like yeah, as you can see, it's got the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro logo on there. And obviously the laces are quite fat as well. But man, the best thing about these as well is I see you. Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Like your beta.
Say bye. Go on then, go to the living room then. So then you got the Supreme and the inner soles, like, oh look at that. But man, these are crazy. Like I know, oops, shit. They're releasing the Dunk Lows, the ones that were from 2003, which is the high top version, but they're releasing the low top version hopefully this Thursday or sometime this early this year or maybe late this year. But we'll see, man. Like they're dope as well, man. Like they're obviously like paying homage to the 2003 pair. Obviously the colorways are different. With this, obviously it's got the stars along here, inside here, and yeah, the lace lock. They got that lace lock with the Supreme in gold. Yeah, man, those will sell out fast. They're gonna sell out quick. Like no doubt about it, they're gonna go quick. But like, I'm gonna try and cop a pair. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to go through sneakers, the sneakers app, or Supreme. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to get them. They come in 4 colorways, which is the royal blue, the green, the burgundy, and the black. I'm gonna try and get the blue, the royal blue, which is like the best colorway in my opinion, or the black out of the 4. But yeah, man, that's crazy. Like yeah, like that's probably the hypest release that's coming out this year, which is those Dunk Low Pros, the Dunk Lows, sorry. But we'll see what happens with them. I'm gonna try and cop them online. But yeah, other than that, like, I'm pleased. I got a pair of these, man. Like, especially now the Dunks and Dunk Low Pros, they're all coming back. They're making a comeback. All the Dunks are coming back. Like, I know, obviously like Travis Scott's obviously made them hype again. But yeah, like this colorway, I didn't even like when they first dropped in 2012. I did not get a pair. I was so pissed because I was about to camp out for them in a Supreme store in London in Soho. But when I saw the line, because obviously I was part of the Basement Group and Supreme Talk, when I saw the line, I was like, yeah, forget that. I ain't camping out like for camping overnight for that, man. The line was like round the block, just like long as fuck, like. But yeah, I managed to get it. Like, I know like they weren't as hype now as they were hype back then, but I mean the price and obviously the resale value wasn't as bad as it is now, like. But yeah, I managed to get it off a reseller 2 years later. But yeah, it was calm. Like, I had them and I wore them and then I sold them, and obviously seeing the price and I was like, shit, like, why didn't I keep them? But fuck, I'm glad I got them back. And yeah, these are fucking hard. I haven't even worn them yet, man. Like, I'm so hyped like to wear these, like. But I know, like, obviously due to the age, they're like, what, how old are you, 2001? So we're like, yeah, well, like, this is quite an old trainer, innit? So, but I mean, like, there isn't any signs of any crumbling or anything, like. So I'm hopefully these will obviously last up. Like when I obviously wear them, they won't like crumble on me or anything. But yeah, man, these are fucking dope. Like, just the design of these, man. Like, Supreme, like, I know Supreme. I've done collaborations with Nike. They're the 98s. Like, they've had like other Nike sneakers that are out, the Air Forces. But I mean, like, out of the lot, the Dunks are like the best. Like, you can't go wrong, because obviously the Dunks are for like they used for skating and stuff, innit? But I mean, like, these trainers are just fucking dope, man. Like, I'm gonna show you them again. But yeah, I just can't wait to wear these, man. Like, I'm super hyped. And yeah, man, guys, you know what? I'm waffling on. I've showed you the trainers and that. But let me know if you guys are gonna cop the obviously you guys are gonna cop the SBs. I mean, the lows and that. Well, I hope you guys get it, and I hope I get a pair. Hopefully the Supreme gods and the sneaker gods bless me and to get them. But guys, if you got any, if you're selling, if you get a pair, if you're gonna sell, hit me up, like, on the comments below. Obviously, I'm not paying stupid prices, but hopefully you can work something out if you get a pair in the royal blue or the black. But yeah, like, guys, let me know. As I said, I'm not gonna pay stupid price. Let's obviously make a deal in here and obviously keep it fair. But guys, let me know what you think about these sneakers. If you got a pair yourself, or you know if you're feeling them, if you're not. But as I said, these, in my opinion, these are my favorite, and obviously the best Nike collabs that they did out of all the Nike sneaker models. But yeah, man, guys, let me know what you guys think about this. And you know what, you guys stay safe and stay blessed, and you know, keep safe with this whole COVID business. Hopefully, obviously, this lockdown fucking ends soon. Like, we're all going fucking crazy here, man. Like, I know I've spent shitloads of money on Supreme, you know, I can't even wear my shit out. But I mean, like, obviously you're gonna be bored and shit. But yeah, hopefully, like, Boris Johnson, please fucking end this lockdown, please. And guys, stay blessed, man, and stay safe as always, man. And guys, thank you for the support on my channel and that, and thank you for the people that showed love and that. I appreciate it a lot, man. But you guys, yeah, as I said, subscribe and comment below and hit the thumbs up for the like and that, yeah. So peace.